Good morning. I'm going to show y'all 2 breakfast recipes using crescent rolls. These are on sale at Ingles this week, and I needed those other cans for the chicken pot pie yesterday, so I grabbed these while I was in there too. These are just the original ones. With these, we're going to make a crescent crust omelet and some shortcut cream cheese danishes. I need to grab the cream cheese out real quick. We'll do the crescent crust omelet first. So I've got my 9x13 pan here. We're gonna spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. That sun is bright this morning. These are 2 really quick and easy recipes you can throw together like on a holiday morning, or if you have company over or something and you just need something quick. Especially this one. You just put everything in the pan and it bakes in the oven. You don't have to cook the meat or the eggs or anything first. You just, or even the crescent rolls, put it all in here and it bakes up in the oven. I've already got the oven preheated to 350. Oh, I forgot to put a little pumpkin pie spice on top of my coffee. I'm using hazelnut creamer right now, but I like to shake a little pumpkin pie spice on top. I'll just do a little, like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know, but it's really good. The hazelnut and pumpkin go really good together. Now we're just gonna press this in here. Now we have lots of other crescent breakfast recipes and crescent fall recipes. I'll link those down below if y'all want to check them out. Okay, now we're using some, I can't remember if this was honey ham or what kind of ham. It's just some ham. Let me grab something to chop it up real quick. So now we're just gonna put the ham all over the top. You done? Okay, now hit the number 4. Manly's already started his schoolwork over there. You see the 4? Yeah. Okay. Okay, in this bowl we need 6 to 8 eggs. I've got 4 double yolks, so that's what we're gonna use. Okay, then we just need 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, and then we just need about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, we whisk all this together. Now we just pour it over the ham and crescent rolls. We're gonna top it with some cheese. We've got Colby Jack. And that's it. It's gonna bake at 350 for 25 minutes. For the shortcut cream cheese danishes, I'm gonna soften 1/2 of this block of cream cheese. And I'm trying to decide what kind of jam or jelly I want to use. I think we have that blackberry. Bell's Bodacious blackberry jam. That's what we're going to use. So we'll have shortcut blackberry cream cheese danishes. So I've got 1/2 the block of cream cheese right here. I'm just going to put it in the microwave on defrost for probably just about 30 seconds. Okay. I think we're ready. Maybe just about 15 more seconds. There's the cream cheese. Now we'll use probably about 2 tablespoons of the blackberry jam. Now since we're using jam, we're not gonna need to sweeten this. If you wanna make like lemon ones or something like that, you might wanna add a little something to sweeten this cream cheese part if you want to. But since our blackberry jam is already sweet, we're not gonna have to add any kind of sweetener to this part. So we'll mix this all together. Yeah, I think that's good. That's just enough of the jam. Now we're gonna take this can of crescent rolls and just roll them out. Now we're gonna take the cream cheese mixture and spread it on here. Now I like this blackberry jam because it does have the seeds in it, so it's gonna be almost like there are little bits of blackberries in here. Well, I mean, it is like that, but you know, they were in jam form. Now we're gonna roll this up just like if we were making cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls?
Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ends. And then we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator for just a few minutes while our omelet thing in there is finishing up. That way it'll be easier to slice this. So I'll just transfer it to this cutting board and we'll put it in the refrigerator. What's the sentence?
I write with a pencil. Is that 5 words?
I write with a pencil. That's right, 5 words. Very good. Alright, so now we're just gonna cut our crescent dough into 8 rolls. So we'll do it in half, and then half again, and then half again.
Oh, what's that good smell?
That is an omelet, a crescent crusted omelet. I've already got this sprayed, so we're just gonna put these in here like this. And they're gonna bake for about 20 minutes. Two cans will fill up a 2-quart casserole dish, but since I made this too, I just did, 1 can. So we've got half of it filled there, but you wanna put them kind of close together so they'll bake up nice and soft around the edges. Unless you like them to be crispy edged, then you can spread them out a little more. I think that'll be good. All right, they're going in. The danishes are almost done. We're gonna make a little icing to drizzle over the top. So I've just got some powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and we're gonna put just a little of the blackberry jam to make it a blackberry drizzle, just about a teaspoon. Okay, I think that's good. What we have here is a heavenly holiday situation. These taste heavenly, and that tastes like a holiday. Both very good. Like this one seriously tastes like something you would want around the holidays, like on Christmas morning or Thanksgiving, anytime, weekend. Make the weekend a holiday and make that. And these are heavenly. They melt in your mouth when you bite into them, it's just like, that could compare to a Krispy Kreme donut, and that's saying a lot. They're really good.
Better.
All right, let me tell everybody it's ready.